If you're eyeing affordable travel gear online and wondering whether bagsmart.com is the real deal or just another scam site, you're not alone. This brand has gained a lot of attention recently for offering stylish and functional products like laptop backpacks, toiletry bags, camera organizers, and packing cubes, all priced under $65. With prices that seem almost too good to be true, it's only natural to question if this store delivers what it promises. After a thorough look into their online presence and reputation, there are several green flags that suggest Bagsmart is a legitimate business. First, their domain was registered back in 2008, showing over 15 years of online activity, something scam sites usually can't claim. They also have a strong presence on Amazon, where many of their products are verified and have hundreds, sometimes thousands of reviews from actual buyers. On top of that, the company stays active across social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest, which adds to their visibility and trust factor. Another plus is their dedicated customer service email and wholesale opportunities, which indicate they're more than just a fly-by-night operation. That said, it's not all perfect. While most reviews are positive, with a 4.1-star rating on Trustpilot from over 300 customers, there are still complaints worth noting. Some users have reported delayed shipping, poor packaging, or difficulties with returns and refunds, which suggests their customer service may not always be as responsive as hoped. So, while bagsmart.com does appear to be a legit store offering real, well-designed products at competitive prices, it's important to be cautious and manage expectations, especially if you're ordering internationally or during peak seasons. In short, it's not a scam, but it's also not without flaws, so weigh the pros and cons before hitting that checkout button.